Dear academic friends, let's today understand something about the sustainability marketing. Let's unplug the sustainability marketing along with me. So let's understand what exactly the sustainable marketing is, how actually it is important, where it is important, for whom it is important, specifically in Indian market scenario and worldwide. So let's start our journey with first with the sustainability. So if we talk about the sustainability, the concept of sustainability has been defined in many ways, but in fact it is really discovered with the United Nations 1987 Bretland report, which basically clears that sustainable development is the development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So it means don't ruin the existing resources and look for the some good alternative at the future time. So now come about the sustainable marketing. So sustainable marketing is the idea of a holistic approach whose aim is to ensure that marketing strategies and tactics are specifically designed to secure and socially equitable, environment friendly, as well as economically fair and viable business for the benefit of current and the future generations. So as I discussed earlier, the sustainable marketing is no more. Basically, it's the extension of sustainability, which basically at broad level discuss about the taking care for current, existing and the future generations in their different aspects. So, if you talk about the evolution of marketing practices in nutshell, in comparison to the traditional marketing, the sustainable marketing emerged as a revolutionary paradigm. Its fundamentals exist with the success in business rather than sole pursuing short-term goals. Sustainable marketing emphasize long-term value creation. So that is good. Companies likewise the Patagonia and IKEA and some another. So they imbibe the sustainable marketing practices, specifically in the packaging practices, and they are claiming that they have the some kind of the products which actually being manufactured from the 100% recycled material. As per the ITC sustainability report 2024, they had claimed that by the end of 2020 24 and somewhere 2024 25 somewhere, they will be adapting the 100% recycle material based packaging. So that can be a revolutionary step in the packaging scenario. Now, if we have a broader look over the traditional versus sustainability marketing mix, so the traditional, as all of us we know, that given by the McCarthy, the 4 P's and the 7 P's concept. So, but if we talk about the comparison in between traditional versus sustainability, so in the traditional, whereas product actually mainly one factor, but in sustainability, we look for the customer solutions, whether by providing the product, the customer got some solution or not. Price wise, customer price means the customer's cost, also the affordability. If we talk about the place, means place must be convenience and promotion, communication and the awareness. So collectively, it means that we are making it approachable, we are making it convenient, we are making it easy to handle for the customers in the sustainable marketing in comparison to the traditional marketing. The sustainability marketing is actually incomplete without the triple bottom line discussion. So triple bottom line is what basically it deals with the people, planet and profit concept. People means social performance, planet means environmental performance, profit means economical. So when a company is committed to provide the end user benefits to their customers in terms of some good product, but the same time they are also taking care for planet, they are also taking care for the people means the all the internal customers mean their own employee and the customers and the investors, everybody, all the stakeholders and the pros. Yes, of course they are not for profit, they are profit oriented organizations. So it means they are providing the value product. So when they are approaching for value product, automatically it's a combination which take cares for the people, planet and profit respectively. Now specifically one another detailed example for sustainable marketing. Allbuds, it's a one particular brand that is in the market, launched by a footwear company in the 2016, which basically follows the eco-friendly patterns. They're taking a sustainable approach in the material used in so merino wool is considered as a natural fiber and follows ethical standards. So that way they are connecting to the nature in a more approaching way. So sustainable marketing basically close us, basically bring us together the environment, together the, we can say, the planet, and the another thing is that of course profit is also there, but what we are giving back to the society, that it is also important na? So that's why the sustainable marketing is a good concept. Future of sustainability marketing, the positive aspects that we just got to know, but yes, we had to discuss about the future sustainability marketing as well. So innovations in the sustainable products. So yeah, like learning is a continuous process, so innovation also a continuous process. So in the soon gradual time, innovations, more innovations will be done. I'm very sure that in the more sustainable products will come in the market. And the circular economy, from the concept of if we talk about the linear economy and the some another type of the economy, now we are in the modest way the circular economy and the zero waste method in order to adapt the concept of 3R: reduce, reuse and rebuild. Reduce, reuse and rebuild. So that way the corporates, they are trying to make ensure that okay, the effective use of the product, effective use of the raw material, effective use of the finished good, as well as we can take the example here from the automobile means this sector, specifically the car and the bikes. So now in the market EV vehicles are more and more available. So that is the thing for the next generation also. So definitely that will be the future. So that way innovative products to be introduced in the market. The next is role of AI and technology in sustainable efforts. So AI and technologies to be used, artificial intelligence, surely we can't neglect it. It is to be really embedded in the sustainability efforts in order to provide the convenient, economical, handy solutions in form of the some products and the services to the customers. Next is predictions for future consumer behavior. So digital consumer behavior, if you talk for today, so it's about the digital consumer behavior. So digital, due to the involvement of the digital marketing, so we have to understand at every level, from the thinking of customer for the product purchasing and to the purchasing level, and then after the post purchase behavior. So we need to calculate everything, we need to analyze everything and provide the solutions accordingly. So matching and mapping is really needed in the terms of sustainable marketing practices. But as far as concerned to the opportunities, as far as concerned to the scope, some challenges are also there, and but that are also opening up the doors for the opportunities as well. So challenges like greenwashing concerns. So many of the company actually they are means they are with the blames that okay, they are not following the some kind of the ethical regulations and guidelines. So like 100% somebody is saying that okay, this product is 100% sure green and pure green, but who actually certified them? That is a big concern. So by just adopting the such misleading practices, greenwashing practices is not a good idea. Sustainable in the sustainable marketing, there is no place for the greenwashing. Second is challenge is balancing profitability with sustainability. See, there is a high cost involvement in means like mentoring the things for the sustainability aspect. So that way it can be a little expensive Next is policy and the regulatory landscape. So policy wise, now more policies to be redefined, redesigned, and reintroduced, or to means like a fresh introduce, because concern is more for the sustainability. Concern the customers are also bit more aware, and the all the things are the digital place, digital marketing. Now it's on peak. So policies and the regulatories concern is really thinkable, and it is needed for the R. Last is like collaborations and industry-wide initiatives. So collaborations really needed with the different foundations and NGOs and some trusts. So that way the companies, and so far as concerned the corporates, the companies like Dr. Reddy, they have the Dr. Reddy Foundation, Aditya Birla Foundation, Reliance Foundation. So they already have some setup. So that way things can be done in the collaborations. People can be sensitized, customers can be sensitized, wholesalers can be sensitized, retailers can be sensitized. So that way the